everyone, my name is Raquel and I'm a lead naturalist here at the Environmental Nature Center, and today we are going to do a fall leaf experiment. So we have to gather our materials. So we have a teaspoon and a tablespoon, we have a clear jar, and we have some water, some rubbing alcohol, a coffee filter, a pencil, and some tape. Okay friends, so the first step that we need to do is we need to collect some colorful fall leaves. So I have some green leaves here. Some of our friends have red or yellow.
You have yellow.
I do have yellow leaves. I said green, huh? So we can collect different colored leaves, and we are going to do an experiment to see what colors are inside of our leaves. So we're going to take our leaves and we're going to crunch them up, and then once we have them in small pieces, I want you to take your leaves and put them inside of your jar, okay? So take your leaves and put them inside of your jar. And then our next step is in this experiment, we're gonna do something cool. It's called chromatography, and chromatography is when you separate things from a mixture. So we're separating the color out of the leaves. So that's what our coffee filters are for. So I want everybody to take their pencil and their coffee filter, and you're going to tape the coffee filter to the pencil, just like this. And you want to make sure your coffee filter is down so it's long. Okay friends, so now the next thing that we are going to do for our experiment is we are going to take our big tablespoon, so that is the bigger of your spoons, and we are going to put 2 tablespoons of water inside of our jars. And then you're going to take your little spoon, that is a teaspoon, and you're going to do 2 teaspoons of rubbing alcohol inside of your jar. All right, so our leaves, our rubbing alcohol, and the water are inside of our jar. And what's going to happen is an experiment is happening. So that mixture is going to cause the leaves to break down. So the color is going to come out of them. And then we're going to take our coffee filters and our pencils, and we're going to put it just like that on top of our jar. And you want the coffee filter to touch the water. All right, and so now that is the start of our experiment. And we are going to let this sit for 24 hours, and then we will see what happens. So friends, I want you to think, why do you think that the leaves change color in the fall? Does anybody have any ideas? Why do they change from green to yellow or orange or red? So sometimes the green leaves, inside of the leaves, you know what, there is already yellow or orange color, and we call that pigment. So those colors are already inside the leaves, and then as the seasons change and it gets a little bit cold and the tree is going to go dormant. So that's like what Avery said, the tree's going to go to sleep in the winter when it's very cold, and so it doesn't need its leaves anymore to make energy and food for the tree. So it's going to let them change color, and it's going to stop feeding them, and then they will turn yellow or orange. All right, thank you everybody for watching this experiment demonstration, and thank you for supporting us with the Fall Fair. Make sure you bid on some silent auction items and continue to watch these videos to learn more about what we have going on here at the Environmental Nature Center. Thank you.